Hello, lovely people. It's your girl Rebecca. Welcome to Sewing Made Simple channel. Today we are going to lay our underbust corset pattern pieces on our fabric and cut out. This one, you don't need any big fabric to work with this. So I'm using a leftover fabric, as you can see, to do my laying out. It's very long, so I'm not going to use all the dimensions anyway. So I'm just going to fold it on this way, then I use. But don't forget, when you are laying your fabric, turn it to the wrong side and lay the wrong side of the fabric. Don't lay the right side of the fabric, because all the chalk marks or whatever you are going to do will remain in it, and the customer is not going to wash the fabric before wearing. So let's be mindful how we lay our fabrics. Good. So this is my front pattern. So the front pattern, I have the center front. So this is the center front. Then I have the center back. So normally the center front is on fold. So I'm going to put the center front on the folded part of my fabric. So as you can see, I'm laying it on the folded part of my fabric. So I'm going to pin it down so it doesn't move whilst cutting. Okay. Don't forget, I've added seam allowance to part that I'll be joining, in a section of the part that is placed on fold. So I'm bringing this, that's the front piece, the side parts to the side. I'm leaving space in between because I'll be adding seam allowance to it. So as you can see, I'm done with the front piece. So I'm going to the back piece. So there's my back piece. Because I'm not going to add zip to it, I've taken 2 inches off the back piece so I can do my lacing. Of course, I'm not going to use the eyelet hole. I'll do the loop. So there's my next one. Be mindful when you are using the needle, because it can hurt you. Okay, our patterns are laid. I just reach out to my scissors, so I'm now coming to separate the patterns. So let's go. I hope you have seen how the patterns are being laid. So before I forget, I'm going to add my seam allowance before I forget. So when I'm done sewing, so I'll show you the final work. So I'm adding ½ inch to the part I'll be joining. so 1/2 inch throughout. So this side too, I'm going to add 1/2 inch to both sides. Okay, so the last part is this 1/2 inch, 1/2 inch, 1/2 inch, 1/2 inch. That's all. Because I've added allowance to the base or the hem, then the side seam, then the upper part already. So I'm just going to cut the fabric off. I have a smaller size to deal with. So you see, with the pieces I have, I can get about two of the underbust corset out of it. Good. So I've done one. I've separated the first one. The second part gone. So the back, I'm done with the back. I'm now going to cut the front part. Okay, last one to go. Okay, so I'm done now. There's my front piece. So these are my front pieces. Then these are my back pieces. Okay. I hope you've seen what I have. Yes. So when I'm done sewing, I'll show you the final video. Thank you so much for sewing made. Thank you so much, for watching Sewing Made Simple channel. Your girl once again, her name is Rebecca. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll bring you more sewing tips, more pattern drafting. If you want me to do a video on how to draft this underbust corset pattern, please comment on the comment section and I'll do that for you. Thank you so much. Bye bye.